Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up a VPN on iPhone and PC. So for iPhone, you can go ahead to the settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down to find the VPN and device management. Go ahead and click VPN and device management and then move on to VPN. If you already have the configuration and everything, you can go ahead and add VPN configuration, right? Enter the type, obviously, all right? Description, server, remote ID, and local ID, authentication. Basically, you're going to be able to add it manually, right? So you can go ahead and hit done after you do that. If you don't have a VPN configuration, what you're going to do, go back to your screen, go ahead to the App Store or Google Play, right? Then click search and try to pin down VPN. And I recommend to use NordVPN or VPN Proxy Master or even the VPN app, right? That will help you to select a network, right? That works better for your connection. So, as for PC, as you can see on the on the screen, you're gonna be able to search for only VPN free and download from a website, from the official website, or go to the Google extension to download it immediately, right? And add it to your extension. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.